Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. We are picking these cards, Aries. So these are for your general energies. We'll be picking more cards from another deck for your relationship and career circumstance. And this is an oracle deck, Aries. So it may answer some doubts or questions you have. So this is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Aries. So watch till the end. It is an intuitive reading. So at some point you may get the answer for what you are expecting, Aries. So let's start with the general energies first. Before that, I also have a pick a card reading which will follow this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading, Aries. So let's see what are these cards. For your general energies, we have Nine of Pentacles in reverse, Chariot, and Two of Wands. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are someone really focused, paying a lot of attention to something today, maintaining discipline, and you have confidence in you over your skills and talents, and you are in a very good place today. You have that unwavering attention and certainty with what you are doing your work, feeling really dedicated, devoted to whatever choices you have made today. And that is the reason you are going to see success today in your life, Aries, success in your career, triumph over all obstacles, whatever may come your way. You are cheerful, confident that you are doing the right thing today. And maybe in your life, in your career, or maybe in your relationship, you are someone having a lot of determination. So, whatever the situation may be, maybe this person may feel that they cannot trust you, or you may feel that you cannot trust them, maybe because of the words they speak or their actions, maybe something giving you that idea. But whatever it is, you want to give it your best, trying to be really good, trying to find that balance and harmony in this relationship, and you want this connection to work because you love this person, you have a level of understanding with them, and you are not going to let anything come your way, let any doubts or confusions cloud your mind. So you want this person and you want clarity, and you are not giving in to those toxic feelings that are there in you here because of the words they spoke. Maybe you were very much hurt by whatever they said, and that may be the reason you are thinking that this person is not to be trusted and you cannot have faith on them. So, some kind of negative circumstances were there in your life, Aries, and that may be the reason you feel this way, but you don't want to, um, even though you are hurt, you feel that you cannot give up on this love, cannot give up on this person. So, let's see what is the card for your relationship. We picked one card for your relationship, it's building blocks. Such an apt card. So, if you want a positive, meaningful relationship with this person, you need to build it on trust, truth, and understanding. So, in this connection, you are moving towards that. You are moving towards honesty, clear communication. And that is what is going to give you clarity, that is going to make this relationship a long standing one. Maybe all those troubles or whatever may come, this relationship will be very powerful, will be able to handle anything coming in your way. But you need to build this foundation of this relationship with truth, clear communication, and a desire to understand each other with clarity. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So for your career situation, Aries, we picked one card. We will see what it is. It's never ending story in reverse. So with this card, in your circumstances, maybe you feel lost or you are criticizing yourself for all that mistakes that happen in your circumstances. But today, you need to understand that this is not the time for drama. Maybe you must, what to say, you must be clear in your circumstance and understand that whatever happened has happened, and brooding over the past is not going to help you in any way. And you need to understand that even this circumstance will change for the better. So you must only take the lessons you want. And maybe if people are blaming you for whatever happened, you must keep a distance from them. And you need to understand that all these dramas will pass one day. And if you are confident and if you are positive, having positive intentions about your career circumstances, all you are going to see is positive results. That is the energy with this card. And that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, Aries. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, Aries. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is your first card. So the reading with the first card for those who chose this card. Tambulina, expectations. So with this card, in your circumstances, maybe you are a unique person, you are different, and it may be really challenging trying to adapt with the people you have in your life, maybe in your work or maybe in your personal life, because you are someone different, and it is a challenge to blend in your circumstances. And maybe you may see some rejection in your life, maybe because of the way you are. But you need to understand that each and every one of us are unique in our own way. And you do not have to accept any relationship you do not love. So you must, you should not live for others' expectations. You must go for that love that you really want to, and you must be with people you are really comfortable with. You should not try to be with someone with whom you are not at all comfortable with. And you will find the right person who will be the right one for you, who will be what to say, who will be the right one in your circumstances. You will have that respect and caring for each other, and you must give up all those people who do not value you for what you are. So that is the energy with this card. And you must see these challenges as something, some experience that where you learn so much. So that is also the energy here. You must not feel sad or stressed, but see your circumstance as an experience giving you a higher learning today. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have Moonstone. So, with this card in your circumstances, your intuition is telling you something, and it is something really important, and you feel that you cannot believe what your intuition is telling you. Maybe your senses are telling you something else. Maybe you see something, you believe in that, you believe in what you see or what you hear. But what your intuition is telling you is something right opposite to what you experience. So it is something you don't want to, what to say, go for. You don't want to make any decision based on your intuition. But you need to understand that your intuition is right. It is telling you something which cannot be seen by your senses. And your intuition is coming from that conscious universe, that which is part of our subconscious. So you're getting that heeding or that pointers from that conscious universe, and conscious universe is never wrong. So in your circumstances, whatever your intuition is telling you, you must listen to it. And guys, if you practice meditation, if you are interested in meditation and if you practice it, it is going to help you a lot. It is going to increase your intuition, and it is going to give you more clarity in your circumstances today. So in your relationship or in your career, whatever that inner voice is telling you, you must listen to it, and that is going to benefit you. And that is going to benefit you, and that is your primary sense. And you need to be really honest with yourself if you want to make the right decisions and go for the right path today. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.